Hello everyone, do have the great honor to be with Eugene in sales of PLAS. Hi Eugene,
Hi.
how are you today?
Everything is good.
Oh, nice. Okay, I have some questions for you that I would like our audience give us a better insight what is going on during this K 2022. This K 2022 is the first big show after COVID-19 started. From perception, there any big changes in the industry, and what is different 3 years later?
I think we're seeing like there's less people coming in, which is I think a repercussion of what COVID was. But people are still very interested. I think people are recovering from what COVID has hit them, and then they want to find a new direction. So a lot of people are actually discovering new stuff, and then or reinforcing what they were maybe say taking a hiatus on throughout the years. So that's what we see, and people are still very professional on the purchasing. It's not just looking around; they are actually interested to purchase.
Yeah, that's for sure. In that way, you can have like more direct leads, more solid leads. Actually, yeah.
Right.
And also, K-Show has 3 main topics: circular economy, digitalization, and climate protection. How does your company do the implementation of these 3 trends on your machinery?
So since we're doing the converting in this case, so we are actually manufacturing from semi-product to finished product. In that case, in terms of the material for recycling and repurposing the materials, that would be what the customer has to offer through the semi-product, in this case the film. So for us is to actually just, while the converting, we have to maximize and adapt to whatever the material they gave us with the maximum capacity and efficiency. So that's what we aim to do as always.
Oh, perfect. So basically, you can do a lot of customization.
Correct.
For your machine. Okay, that's good. That's good. And what is your forecast after K 2022? Do you think it's going to be more demand or new markets to develop sales?
I think that since the economy is taking a halt, people are a bit more hesitant on investing. But then eventually, it's something that, for bag making, it's always going to be there because the material itself has that properties of lightweight, airtight, watertight, and also cheap. So it's always going to be there for bags. And for us, we don't see a decline on that. There might be, say, certain sectors of that, like shopping bags, consumer part of the packaging would reduce because of the eco-friendly awareness. But on the other kinds, in terms of like industrial packaging, household, garbage bag, those is always going to be there. And since we're going to have, population is going to increase, so it's going to be more demands as always.
Yeah, that's what everyone wish. Yeah, thank you very much for your time, and I wish you the best luck during this K 2022. Yeah. Okay, if you have any question or want to inquire about PLAS machinery, please check the links below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.